Hi friends, hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see Cloud Profiler. So what is Cloud Profiler? Cloud Profiler, it is a continuous CPU and heap profiling to improve performance and reduce cost. So Cloud Profiler, it allows developers to analyze applications running anywhere, including Google Cloud, other cloud platforms, or on-premises with support for Java, Go, Node.js, and Python. In other terms, Cloud Profiler, it is a statistical, low overhead profiler that continuously gathers CPU usage and memory allocation information from our production applications. It attributes that information to the application's source code, helping you identify the parts of the application consuming the most resources and otherwise eliminating the performance characteristics of the code. So this is the Google documentation. So next we are going to see the demo of the Cloud Profiler demo. We are going to configure and use Stackdriver Profiler. Then first we need to download a sample Go program and run it with profiling enabled. Then we will use the Cloud Profiler interface to explore the obtained data. So I have given the Cloud Profiler quick lab. This is the link I have given. You can click this link and you need to log into with your Google mail ID, Gmail ID, and you can start the lab. This is absolutely free only, friends. So no need to pay for it. And one more thing, you no need to log into your Google Cloud platform account, also free trial account or premium account. No need to log in. Directly use this demo, quick lab demo. Okay, let's start now. Okay, I'm going to that. I have clicked this link here and I have started the lab also. You need to log into that sign in page and you need to log into that. Now I have already logged into that page. Okay, great. So I'm changing the language to English. Okay, fine. Okay, now let me start it now. So just I'm going to Cloud Profiler Quick Start. So this is the documentation they have given what is a Cloud Profiler. Okay, in this demo we are going to set up and use Stackdriver Profiler, and we will download a sample Go program and run it with profiling enabled. Then we will use the Cloud Profiler interface to explore the captured data. Fine. Okay, now let's start the lab. Just open a Google console here and click next, and I am going to copy the password, enter the password here, next, just accept it. Okay, let me try it again, retry. Okay, I'm closing it again. I'm going to do the same again. So open a Google console, next, and copy this password. Let me try again. So password, click next. Okay, now it is coming, friends. Okay, fine. So I have logged into that project. So now I'm clicking this terms of conditions, agree and continue. India, country, let's wait for it. It's taking some time. Okay, now we have successfully logged into that Qwik Lab GCP project, and now we will follow the instruction. So I'm not going to do these things. Okay, now we need to enable the Cloud Profiler API. So we need to enable the Cloud Profiler API. First click on enable API and services and search for Stackdriver API. Okay, so going to this and API services, and here we need to click this enable API and services, and here we need to find that Stackdriver Profiler API. Just enter it now. So we need to enable this API, Stackdriver API. So just click enable. So it is enabling right now. Stackdriver Profiler API, it is enabling right now. Then next step we need to go. Okay, it has been enabled successfully right now, and go get a program to profile. The sample program Profiler Quick Start is in the Go language samples repository on GitHub. To get it, retrieve the package of Go samples. Just copy this and open activate to Cloud Shell. Just drag this. It is provisioning right now. Just click continue. provisioning our Google Cloud Shell machine. It is connecting right now. Let's wait for it. Okay, so now it came now. So I'm going to I'm trying to change the size. So the font text size medium I will put it so that you can view it easily. So I'm going to copy that code. So I have copied this code, Go language. So just paste it here. Go get -u github.com, Google Cloud Platform, Go language samples, profiler quick start. So the sample program is the profiler quick start. It is in the Go language samples repository on the GitHub. So to get it, retrieve the package of Go samples. Okay, we are running this command. So it is downloading now, Google Go language. So let's wait for it. So cloud profile, we have the cloud profiler supports the different types of profiling based on the language in which a program is written. Types of profiling it is available. You can go through the documentation. So components of the cloud profiler. Cloud profiler consists of the profiling agent. I am going to discuss about the components. So it will take some time. So that's what I am going to explain about the cloud profiler components. So cloud profiler consists of the profiling agent which collects the data and a console interface on Google Cloud which lets you view and analyze the data collected by the agent. So it is taking time, friends. So that's what I'm saying about the cloud profiler. So cloud profiler consists of the profiling agent which collects the data and a console interface on Google Cloud which lets you view and analyze the data collected by the agent. So what is a profiling agent? You install the agent on the virtual machines where our application runs. The agent typically comes as a library that we attach to our application when we run it. The agent collects profiling data as the app runs. We are going to see each and everything, no need to worry. So it is taking some time, friends. Let's wait for it. It is downloading. Next we are going to see the profile code. The profiler quick start program creates a CPU intensive workload to provide data to the profiler. Your previous command imported the profiler quick start program as a Go module, and we are now able to directly run the program. Run the following to start the program. We can leave it, it is running, so we can leave it running. So we need to copy these and go to here. Yeah, it has been run now. It has been successfully done. So now I am going to copy this and command profiler quick start. So just click authorize. So now cloud profiler Go agent version it is showing, and profiler has creating a new profile via profiler service. This program is designed to load the CPU as it runs and configure to use cloud profiler. Cloud profiler collects profiling data from the program as it runs and periodically save its progress indicated with a pair of messages. Like this it will be getting profiler has started, successfully created profile, CPU again start uploading profile, same thing it will come again and again. So we are also getting the same, right? Creating new profile, successfully created profile, CPU, like that it will be getting. This program will continue to emit this message when it runs. Let 2 to 3 profiles get created, then continue with the lab. Okay, so let's wait for it, friends. 2 to 3 profile. Okay, so I think one only it has been created, so let's wait for it. Yeah, we have already discussed about we will see the concept, friend, meanwhile. So we have already seen the profiling agent. So profiling agent, we install the agent on the virtual machines where our application runs. The agent typically comes as a library that we attach to our applications when we run it. The agent collects profiling data as the app runs. For information on running on Cloud Profiler agent, so profiling Go applications, profiling Java applications, profiling Node.js applications, profiling Python applications, profiling applications running outside Google Cloud. So what is a profiler interface? So profiler interface, what it will do means after the agent has collected some profiling data, we can use the profiler interface to see how the statistics for CPU and memory usage correlate with areas of our applications. So we are going to see these things only. The profile data is retained for 30 days, so we can analyze performance data for periods up to the last 30 days. 30 days. Profiles can be downloaded for long-term storage. So we can go the lab now. So let's stop the concepts. So we got 3 times. Then I'm going to do the remaining part. Start the profiler interface. In the console, go to the profiler from the navigation menu in the cloud section. Click on the profiler. You will be taken to the profiler interface. The interface is divided into two general areas, a control area and a flame graph. So control area for selecting the data to visualize, a flame graph representation of the selected data. So in the console, go to the profiler from the navigation menu in the cloud section. Click profiler. You will be taken this profiler interface. So here just I'm going to drag this and go to the navigation menu. So here we need to select the profiler. So profiler, it will comes under the operations. Just click the profiler. It will comes under the operations. So you can see it, friends. Now you can see it is coming this main busy loop main like that load. So you can see the filter under this metric CPU time. So you can see the service hello profiler, and profile type, it is coming a CPU time, then availability zone, all zones. So it is coming all versions, and here you can see the weight and compare to time span 7 days. So whatever days we can select it in time. So you can see these things, and metric is CPU time. So we can click it here, and remaining we will do it. So selecting profiles, exploring the data. So directly I'm coming it here. Select hide stacks, then type in main as the value. Your flame graph will look like this. So what I am going to do means, now I am going to select the hide stacks, then type in main as the value. So just go here, and here just type hide stacks and colon main. Okay. Hide stacks, it is coming hide stacks colon, and we need to select the main, type main as the value. So I will look like this. The more profile that gets generated, more interesting. Okay. So let me open my previous video. Sorry for that. Okay friends, so hide stacks, I think we need to put some space only, right? So just try with space, then if it is not working, put into the comment section, then I will reply to that. Okay, so I have done this lab now, so you can see this also, friends. So you can put that hide stacks main. You can verify it also. Hide stacks, then type, we need to type main. So you can see this like this m call, go scheduled m, go sample, go scheduled mpl schedule, like that. You can see we can do this is you can view this information. The more profiles that get the more profiles that gets generated, the more interesting our flame graph gets. In a few minutes, refresh the Stackdriver Profiler console to see the graph develop. Wait a few more minutes and do it again. So like this we need to do that. So like this we are getting, yes, we are getting the same only. So we have done the lab demo. Right now we have done the demo. So we can we can, you can also try, friends. So this is the service like that. This is a show metric value history for top functions, and I'm going to refresh the page. That's what I'm waiting. So I'm going to refresh this page. So how to refresh? Do we have any refresh button? I'm checking it here, but we don't have that refresh option. Only here only. Just I'm going to reload the site. So then we are going to see any other some other changes or not, like that. We are going to verify it. Yes, we are having some other changes also. Yes, we have done the lab. So we have successfully done this cloud profiler quick start demo. So you can also try it, friends, how to use cloud profiler on Google Cloud. We have done that. Thanks a lot, friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.